What's up, guys? We're back with another video. How you guys been doing? You guys already know what I'm about to say. I hope you're having a blessed day. Hope you're having a blessed day. And also, you guys already know what I'm about to say after that. Make sure to like, subscribe, and make sure to turn on those notifications because I love you guys, really. But I love my subscribers, my likes, all that, my notifications. We might do some giveaways because I love you guys. So we do some good giveaways for you guys, like race cars. What you guys want? I don't know. Whatever you guys think. Whatever. We do some giveaways, some shoes, some days, whatever. But also, if I want you guys already know what I'm about to say after that. I forgot to do it in the intro. And when you have those notifications on daily, those notifications are gonna be man. Those notifications are gonna be man. Okay. And you guys already know I got that bombastic side-eye. You guys already know I have that bombastic side-eye. Bombastic side-eye. All right, love you guys.